Okay, so hi dear Cancer, very very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general of reading for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 19 till the 25th of May. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me, want to have personal reading or healing sessions? Check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for Ho'oponopono Masterclass and Self Love course, two links are given below in the description box. So let's start, Cancer. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. We have the Seven of Swords. Cancer, there's a sense of deceptive energies around the situation. Maybe you're trying to, maybe they're trying to hide something from you, and or they got to know something about you and they're trying to pretend that everything is okay. Let me clarify the Seven of Swords. There's a sense of deceptiveness here. Let's clarify. We have the Eight of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles and the Strength card. This person wants to sneak away from the situation and walk away from the situation, but and focus on themselves, and they want to be independent, but they are holding on to this energy of not telling you and or pretending that everything is okay and they are fine and they are happy with you, but this is not the case. This is not the scenario. Either they got to know something about you and they feel like they should just detach from the situation without telling you, and slowly but surely they will be able to get out of the situation, and or they have something that they're holding on to and they are not ready to tell it to you, but this person is planning to get out of the situation without telling you, sneak away from the situation, and kind of doing it gently, very gently, like, okay, I'll do it very gently so that Cancer is also going to settle down. Okay, let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Somebody is planning to sneak away from the situation very gently, subtly, subtle, very subtle sneaking away from your side. Let's see, what do you feel? We have the Three of Swords. You're heartbroken, something is happening, you're kind of heartbroken, you're in a very painful energy, you're trying to move on from the pain. Maybe this breakup and this separation already happened and they're pretending to be okay with this breakup separation, and they're kind of trying to just keep moving ahead even if it is very painful. Let's clarify the Three of Swords here. As your feelings, what's happening, Cancer? We have the Magician and the Seven of Pentacles and the Nine of Wands. You are manifesting this energy of coming out of this painful experience and like healing properly, because this is something that's giving you a lot of pain. You're like a wounded warrior right now at this present moment, and you're manifesting justice. You're manifesting this energy of, okay, universe, please help me to get out of this situation, and wait for the, and you're kind of waiting for the time when you're going to get out of this hurt and pain that you're still experiencing. Wow. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Tower. Cancer, this is a very weird, surprisingly shocking. Let's clarify the Tower in order to get the clear picture of what exactly this person wants to have in this situation. We have the Ten of Swords, the King of Pentacles, the Chariot. Yeah, this person wants to move on without any kind of games, without any kind of ifs and buts. This person wants to focus on themselves. They want to move on and they want to accept the situation for what it is. Maybe this person doesn't want to share their plans with you, share their energies with you, share their vulnerability with you, but they want to get out of the situation and keep moving ahead in their life. They don't want to look back. Whatever happened, they just want to keep moving ahead in their life. No more looking back, no more trying to fix it, just moving ahead. According to this person, game over, letting it go. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation? And it was a fairly new connection or new situation that you were in. For most of you, you guys had a reconciliation with somebody, but things are falling apart again. Okay, oh my god, see, there's something happening in the environment these days. I'm not feeling my good energies, myself these days. Just trying to figure out what is happening. Deep healing. Let's see what's coming forward towards. Okay, let's see your intentions here. Ten of Pentacles. Your intention is to take care of yourself and people who cares for you, and create a stable base and happy-go-lucky kind of energies for yourself and people who really wants to be with you, who really cares for you. Let's clarify the Ten of Pentacles. We have this Two of Cups and the Two of Swords and the Two of Pentacles. What is happening? Cancer, don't tell me to complete this reading. No, honey. You want to make a choice, a perfect choice, a perfect decision. You are so much confused right now. You're not able to understand what you should do and what you should not do. So you just want to stabilize your energies and make the right choice and connect with the right kind of energies and have a very beautiful, happily ever after kind of deal in your life. Where is, wow. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 25th of May. Cancer. I don't have the strength to finish this reading today. Let me tell you the cards. Seven of Swords, Three of Swords, the Tower, the Eight of Cups, the Nine of Wands, the Ten of Swords, Two of Swords, Two of Pentacles. Wow. This is a very complex reading today. That's kind of giving me this energy of Ace of Cups. Finally, something good. Let me clarify the Ace of Cups. This whole mess is kind of leading you to your own heart. Let's clarify the Ace of Cups. Making you more and more connected with yourself. We have the Judgment, the Six of Pentacles, the Moon. Somebody wants to sort it out and create a balance here, but they are too scared to do that. So they are choosing to not to do that. It could be you trying to figure out a way to sort it out with somebody and have a proper balanced kind of energy and have a proper energy of, okay, whatever happened, happened. Even if we have to let it go, we can do it with compassion and love and forgiveness. But again, you are kind of not doing anything about it. You are just feeling it. So whosoever here is trying to balance it out with the other person is actually feeling it very deeply, but not doing anything about it out of fear. Out of fear about out of the conditioning, out of this energy of, okay, maybe the other person or other energy is not going to respond well. So what's the use of doing it? Let's see the guidance here. Guidance here is the Page of Wands. See, Cancer, I know this is a very heavy and heavily burdensome kind of energy that you're experiencing right now, but try to figure out the way to connect with your inner child, because this whole situation is kind of forcing you to come back to yourself, reparent your inner child, give your inner child whatever it wants, basically connecting with the energies when you were a child and when this kind of shit started happening with you. It's a deep shit. It's not something casual or normal, or I can just say, oh, let it go. No. It's something that you have to deeply work on. Start from your childhood, pain, trauma, experiences, heal them one by one, take help from somebody who can help you in this direction, and then move forward, because this whole mess is pointing you to connect with your inner child and start from the scratch. Wow. This is very deep. This is very deep. This reading is very deep. It's hitting me in my heart chakra. So anyways, I'm sending you guys a lot of love, lot of healing, and lot of courage and strength to start your journey. This is I think in this year only, this is the fourth, fifth time I'm seeing these kind of energies for you guys, Cancer. Stay strong, and keep going, because the more you are going to suffer, trust me, the more you are going to grow. If you are going to get the lessons from the sufferings, not because you just have to suffer or you just have to be in the self-pity. Take the lessons, stand strong, and keep moving forward. That's what this whole situation is teaching you. I'm a Cancer moon myself. I can relate to this reading up to 30-40%. I'm a Taurus sun, but the blend of these two readings is kind of telling me that something is off. I am feeling this energy of being off from quite a long time in the sense like 15-20 days now, and I don't have any explanation to these feelings, this energy. But I can assure you that the collective is going through something. That's why I'm feeling it in my gut, also in my heart chakra also. So I am sending you guys a lot of love and a lot of blessings and a lot of healing on your way. Please stay strong, and instead of going in the self destructive or self pity mode, being in this self love, self care and self healing mode. Take care of your inner child. Take care of yourself, basically. Love you guys. Take care. Namaste.